Denji is mocked by the same men who force him to eat a cigarette for a meager 100 yen. He swallows it down with a grim expression, but secretly spits it out afterward. They treat him like a dog, calling him Fido, and warn him that if he tries to run away, he'll be killed like pig slop. Denji's survival instincts are all that keep him going. Denji and Pochita are excited, having finally earned enough to eat for the next 3 days. But this simple joy is bittersweet, as Denji reflects on how a normal life is nothing more than a dream for them. He imagines what it might be like to eat bread with jam, something he's never had. Denji dreams of a better life, but is haunted by the feeling that his debt will never be fully repaid. As Denji lies in his shack, he dreams of what he'll probably never have, a date with a girl. His rundown shack and lack of money make him feel unworthy of love. He wishes that before he dies, he could experience something as simple as hugging a girl. This is his small, heart-wrenching dream amidst the harsh reality.